Tio, I will speak in English today because I have a lot of followers and a lot of messages I don't understand because there's a lot of I don't know the language. It out of the earth, out of the Mars. Ay, hindi pala. Out of the country. Yeah, out of the country. So we talk English only, okay? Okay. You have a question? Yes daw. What is your question? Opinion. And then? Conclusion. What is opinion ang conclusion? In ano? Yung Tagalog. Opinion in Tagalog is bukas yun. Oo. Bukas. Yung conclusion sa Tagalog, sirado yun. Oo. Ha? Oo, tama yun. Ayaw mano? Ayaw maniwala. Ayaw maniwala? Ayaw maniwala.